Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's an extremely windy day today, however, let's see if we can get ourselves some pike. Took myself out 2 rods today. I've got my heavy setup and I've got my light to medium setup. First lure choice for the heavy setup is the Savage Gear the Bush Pink Lady. Now I've not used this lure before, but I thought I'd give it a go and see what it looks like in the water. And for my light to medium setup, I'm going to be using the jig fly. It's probably my favourite thing to use at the moment. So I'm just getting it wet before I take it out for the first cast. Oh, big pike just attacked it then, just as I was taking it out of the water. I've not walked down this stretch before, so I'm interested to see what's around here and see if we can land any pike. So I've not walked this stretch before, so I'm just chucking the jig fly into any sort of places that I might think pike might be hiding out. Oh, lost the pike. Can really feel that wind picking up now, and the flow seems to be speeding up a bit.
jack. Smacked it.
The flow and wind is getting stronger, so I'm just working it across the margins.
Full hit, man.
I'm not sure if it's the weather or whether the water's still too cold, but the pike, they're not hitting my lure well enough for me to be able to set the hooks. They're not overcommitting.
Got it this time. Finally. Kept getting hit after hit after hit with this fly. Just kept missing it. Finally, this one took it though. Took it enough for me to be able to set the hook. Sweet. Target in a stretch of water I've not walked down before. Managed 4 or 5 hits, not landing it. Don't know what's going on. Jig flies, obviously 1 hook. Normally I'm not too bad at setting hooks, but all good fun. Maybe they're just a little bit finicky in the winter, not smashing them as hard as what they would do when it's warmer. Nevertheless, pike to the bank. Happy with that. Right, we'll get going and see if we can get some more out. It's a pike, yeah. I've managed to just take one on the tripod, but thank you.
How much does that weigh then?
I wouldn't weigh this one because it's quite small, but I'd have a guess about £5. Thank you. This is what happens to your fly when a pike nails it. Alright, time to straighten it out. Oh.
Right, I've changed over to the Rapala Peto to finish the session off. Let's see if we can catch a pike on that before I go home. this lure gives some really good belly flash.
Okay, sweet. Another pike to the bank. This was caught on the Rapala Peto Fire Tiger. I haven't actually used that yet. I got it about 2 years ago. So I thought, I saw it in there, I thought I'll give it a go, see if we can get a catch on it. Wind's really picking up. Right, I'm going to get it back. Cheers, mate.
Okay guys, I think I'm going to end the video there. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll catch you again next week.